In the vast, sweeping grasslands of South America, a truly remarkable creature roams. It is not a wolf nor is it a fox, but something entirely different, a unique branch on the canine family tree. This is the maned wolf, or Chrysocyon brachyurus. Its home is the Cerrado, a sprawling savanna that covers much of Brazil and extends into parts of Paraguay, Argentina, Bolivia, and Peru. Here, amongst the tall grasses and scattered shrubs, this animal has carved out a life for itself, perfectly adapted to its surroundings. It moves with a certain elegance, a silent wanderer in a landscape that can be both beautiful and unforgiving, a testament to nature's incredible ability to create specialized forms of life. The maned wolf is a creature of twilight and dawn. It prefers to be active during the cooler hours, avoiding the intense heat of the midday sun. During these times, it emerges from its resting place, often a dense patch of vegetation, to begin its search for food. The Cerrado provides everything it needs, from the small animals it hunts to the unusual fruits it eats. The very essence of this animal is tied to the health of this specific habitat. Its survival depends entirely on the preservation of these open grasslands, which are themselves under threat. Understanding the maned wolf means understanding the delicate balance of the world it inhabits, a world of subtle sounds and vast open skies. Unlike true wolves that form large cooperative packs, the maned wolf leads a much more solitary existence. It is exceptionally shy and elusive, often avoiding any contact with humans. This makes spotting one in the wild a rare and privileged experience. They are monogamous, forming a pair bond with a mate, but even then, they spend most of their time alone within their shared territory. They come together primarily during the breeding season. This solitary nature is a key part of their identity, shaping their behavior and their interactions with the environment. It is a quiet, reserved animal, moving like a ghost through the tall grasses that define its world. The territory of a maned wolf is a vast expanse, sometimes covering over 30 square kilometers. To communicate with their partner and warn off rivals, they have a fascinating method. They leave scent marks using their urine, which has a very distinct and powerful smell, often compared to that of cannabis. This potent aroma acts as a signpost declaring ownership of a particular area. They also have a range of vocalizations, including a loud, deep sound known as a roar bark, which can travel long distances across the open plains. These signals are crucial for maintaining their solitary lifestyle while still managing the social necessities of mating and defending their home range. When one first sees a maned wolf, it is its extraordinary appearance that captures the imagination. It stands on incredibly long, slender black legs, which give it the nickname fox on stilts. These legs are not built for speed over long distances like those of a grey wolf. Instead, they serve a very specific purpose. They elevate the animal's body, allowing it to see over the top of the tall grasses of the Cerrado. This high vantage point is essential for spotting potential prey scurrying below and for watching out for any approaching danger. Its unique gait, where it moves the legs on one side of its body at the same time, is also a distinctive feature, giving it a rocking, pacing motion as it walks. Its coat is a beautiful reddish-brown color, which provides excellent camouflage against the earthy tones of the savanna. Along its back runs a long black mane of hair, from which it gets its name. When the maned wolf feels threatened or excited, these hairs stand on end, making the animal appear larger and more intimidating. Its face is more fox-like, with a pointed muzzle and remarkably large ears. These ears are not just for show, they are like sensitive radar dishes, able to pivot and turn to pick up the faintest sounds of small animals moving in the dense undergrowth, a vital tool for a hunter that relies on hearing. The maned wolf's body is a collection of adaptations for its specific niche. It is the tallest of all wild canids, yet it is surprisingly lightweight and slender. This build is not suited for tackling large prey. It is designed for a different kind of hunting, one that requires patience and precision rather than brute force. Every aspect of its physical form, from the length of its legs to the size of its ears and the color of its fur, has been shaped by millions of years of evolution to make it the perfect inhabitant of the South American grasslands. It is a masterpiece of natural design, a living example of form-following function. Comparing the maned wolf to more familiar canines reveals just how special it is. It is not closely related to any other living wolf or fox. In fact, it is the only species in its genus, Chrysocyon, which means golden dog. Its closest living relative is the bush dog, another South American native, but their last common ancestor lived millions of years ago. This makes the maned wolf a true evolutionary relic, a survivor from a bygone era. Its unique genetic makeup separates it from the pack-hunting wolves of the northern hemisphere and the small, nimble foxes found across the world, placing it in a category all its own. The diet of the maned wolf is as unusual as its appearance. It is a true omnivore, meaning it eats both animals and plants. This flexible diet is a key to its success in the seasonally changing environment of the Cerrado. It hunts for small prey, such as armadillos, rabbits, rodents, and birds. Its hunting technique is fascinating to watch. Using its large ears to pinpoint the location of its prey, it will often pounce in a high arc, bringing its front paws down with great accuracy to trap the unsuspecting animal. This pounce is a behavior more commonly seen in foxes, another example of how it has evolved solutions similar to other canids, despite not being closely related. However, what truly sets the maned wolf apart is its surprising reliance on fruit. A significant portion of its diet, sometimes more than half, is made up of a specific fruit called the lobera, or wolf's apple. This tomato-like fruit grows on a small shrubby tree and is a vital food source. The relationship between the maned wolf and the lobera plant is a wonderful example of symbiosis. The maned wolf gets a reliable and nutritious meal, and in return, it disperses the seeds of the plant across its large territory through its droppings. In this way, the maned wolf acts as a gardener for the Cerrado, ensuring the continued growth of its favorite food. This varied diet means the maned wolf plays a crucial role in the ecosystem. By hunting small animals, it helps to control their populations, maintaining a healthy balance in the food web. Preventing any one species of rodent or insect from becoming too numerous helps protect the vegetation and ensures the stability of the entire habitat. Its role as a seed disperser is equally important. By spreading the seeds of the lobera and other fruits, it contributes to the biodiversity and regeneration of the native plant life. The maned wolf is not just a predator, it is an integral part of the machinery that keeps the Cerrado ecosystem functioning. The solitary nature of the maned wolf dictates its hunting strategy. It is not built to chase down and overwhelm large animals like a pack of grey wolves might. Instead, it is an opportunist and a specialist in finding small, easily managed meals. Its long legs allow it to patrol its territory efficiently, covering great distances each night in its search for food. It is a patient and methodical hunter, relying on stealth and surprise rather than raw power. This combination of small animal predation and fruit consumption allows it to thrive in an environment where larger prey may be scarce, showcasing its remarkable adaptability. Despite its wonderful adaptations, the maned wolf faces an uncertain future. Its greatest threat is the loss of its habitat. The Cerrado, once a vast wilderness, is rapidly being converted into farmland for crops like soybeans and for cattle ranching. As the grasslands disappear, so too does the maned wolf's home and its source of food. This habitat fragmentation also isolates populations, making it difficult for them to find mates and maintain genetic diversity. The silent wanderer of the savannah is finding itself with less and less space to roam, pushed into smaller and smaller pockets of its former range. Another significant danger comes from direct conflict with humans. As farms expand into their territory, maned wolves are sometimes killed by farmers who mistakenly believe they are a threat to their livestock. While a maned wolf might occasionally take a chicken, it is not capable of hunting cattle. They are also susceptible to diseases carried by domestic dogs, which can spread quickly and devastate local populations. Furthermore, road accidents are becoming an increasingly common cause of death as more roads are built through the heart of the Cerrado, bisecting the animals' territories and forcing them to cross dangerous thoroughfares. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this enigmatic canine. Organizations are working to preserve large areas of the Cerrado, creating protected corridors that allow maned wolves to move safely between different areas. Education programs are also crucial, teaching local communities about the true nature of the maned wolf and its importance to the ecosystem. By helping people understand that the maned wolf is not a threat to their livelihoods, these programs aim to foster a sense of coexistence. Research into their behavior and genetics is also providing valuable information that can guide conservation strategies and help manage their populations more effectively. The maned wolf is a true natural treasure, a creature that embodies the unique spirit of the South American wilderness. It is a symbol of the incredible biodiversity that exists on our planet. Protecting the maned wolf means protecting its entire world, the sweeping grasslands, the wolf's apple, and all the other creatures that share its home. Its survival depends on our ability to find a balance between human needs and the needs of nature. By working to save this beautiful and unusual animal, we are not just preserving a single species, we are safeguarding a vital and irreplaceable ecosystem for generations to come.